Top quotations why I love Pakistan. Loves of one's country is an article of faith. Men love their country not because it is great, but because it is their own. In love of home, the love of country has its rise. Pakistan is not just a country, it's my identity. Pakistan is built on the sacrifices of its heroes. The love of one's country is the best feeling of life. Pakistan is our identity and our pride. The patriot's blood is the seed of freedom's tree. Patriotism is the virtue of the goodness. The love of one's motherland is a natural beauty. Pakistan is built on the sacrifices of its.
Patriotism is the virtue of the vicious. Oscar Wilde. A man without patriotism is like a body without a soul. The love of one's country is the noblest sentiment of the human heart. Pope John Paul II. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. Quotations. The spirit of sacrifice is not the backbone of Pakistan. Survival. Just a piece of land. It is the soul of our sacrifices. Nations without sacrifice are nations without future. Nations rise when their youth rise with knowledge and character. The greatness of a nation lies in the greatness of its people.